I'm Jody Marks from Today's Homeowner. You know, being a homeowner is awesome because you can take your home and let it reflect your personality however you want. You can even paint your bedroom whatever color you want without your mother saying no. And that's exactly what the homeowner did with this house. She took her personality and expanded it out here to her outdoor living space. Now, when she bought the house, the shed behind me was just used for storage, but she decided to flex her creative muscles because she is an artist, and she transformed it into something extraordinary. The first step was removing one of the two doors to make the shed more of a workspace and less of a hallway. That meant re-siding that end of the shed. Among the items stored in the shed was a set of old kitchen cabinets that we repurposed with a vibrant color of paint to create workspace in the studio. A coat of white paint was sprayed on the rough interior of the shed to brighten it up before the cabinets were installed. To top off the cabinet, we created countertops with several pieces of plywood treated with clear sealer. A simple concrete stain sealed the shed floor, and outside, tucked around back, we created a cool little potting bench with storage for the lawn and garden tools. And now the end result is a dedicated space for this very creative homeowner, whether she's repotting some plants or putting paint to canvas. This is a creative space that reflects her lifestyle and her personality.